Visual Paradigm can connect to Microsoft Fabric to perform database engineering. To connect to Microsoft Fabric, we first need to download the related library files. We can use Apache Maven to download the libraries we needed. Assume you already have Apache Maven set up on your computer. Open the command prompt. We first create a Maven project using the archetype generate parameter. Specify the artifact ID as Microsoft Fabric JDBC driver. And specify the archetype artifact ID as Maven, archetype. This will create the most basic Maven project under a folder same as the artifact ID. Goes into the Maven project folder. Open the Window Explorer on this location, and edit the POM XML file. Add the dependency to the Microsoft Authentication Library for Java. Execute the copy dependencies command from Maven, with lib folder as target location. This will automatically get the library from your local Maven repository if they already exist. Or download them from internet, and put them into the lib folder in current directory. Here are the libraries being downloaded. We still need one more file, which is the SQL Server JDBC driver. Open the web browser and search for SQL Server JDBC driver. Visit to Microsoft's official download page. Download the zip version of the JDBC driver. Unzip the downloaded file and goes into the jars folder. Copy the JRE11 version jar file to lib folder containing our other libraries. Now all the library files are ready. Let's switch to VP Desktop application. Go to Tools, DB, Database Configuration. Select MS SQL Server. Switch the driver to MS SQL Server 2005 Microsoft driver. Press the ellipses button next to driver file field, and specify all library files we downloaded. Now log in to your Microsoft Power BI account. Select one lake on the left. Copy the connection string by press the ellipses button on your SQL Analytics endpoint, and select Copy SQL Connection String. Go back to Visual Paradigm application, and paste the connection string into host name field. Then specify the database name, followed by semicolon authentication equals to Active Directory password parameter. Specify your username and password. Press the test connection button to try it out. Once you receive the connection successful message means the settings are correct, and you can perform database engineering with Fabric in your Visual Paradigm application. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.